Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video we are at the Baker's Village, which is exactly on the Candolim beach main road. This is exactly about 1 kilometer away from the Candolim beach, and I thought I'd probably show you around because this is a really cool bakery. It has a lovely sit out, and they have some really cool bread items and cakes and stuff like that. So I will be showing you around inside, and I will also give you information about what are they best known for and what is it that you must try when you come here. So if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also click that notification bell, because I release new videos almost every other day. And do support the channel, and please feel free to leave your comments below, and I will go ahead and answer all of them. So let's get inside. So they have all of these freshly baked items.
I have a restaurant there.
So these are sweet buns, and then they have some burger buns. This is something really interesting I've never seen before. This is spinach multigrain bread. Quite healthy. And then you have these multigrain breads. And I think this is also multigrain. And then you have some wheat bread and milk bread.
We have some multi-grains with the ragi and the spinach bread. Next year,
so let me just quickly show you what they have. I'm not sure if the price is visible. So we have Talid here with us.
Thank you.
So Talid, please tell us what is famous here, and what is it that people should try when they come here?
Mostly people likes this blueberry cheesecake, which is the most selling, and then if in chocolate we have this dead pie chocolate, the truffle one.
Okay.
Now we started with this cotton candy as well in desserts. So this lemon cheesecakes as well. But if you like what people like. The people like is this blueberry cheesecake and this death by chocolate.
So is this the blueberry cheesecake, the one with?
No, this one, this cheesecake, this half
this one, this yellow one. Okay.
And this one is truffle, and this one is cotton candy.
Okay.
Yeah, something we started with something new.
Okay, great. So what do we have this side here?
This side we have some. Chicken mayo sandwich, then in a brown bread we have chicken jungli sandwich, then some hot dog rolls, some chicken burger, veg salad sandwich, chicken croquettes, veg burger, and veg mayo sandwich.
Okay, great.
We also have some dry cakes, vanilla cake, this tutti frutti, this is a plum cake, banana cake is finished.
Wow.
We have some walnut brownies as well.
This actually looks delicious.
Yeah, this is fresh. And we have some snacks with this cheese.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. This cheese sticks, some cookies are there, some lavish, and then there are some puffs.
Okay. And behind as well, behind you there are some things.
We have aloo puffs, chicken puffs, also chocolate croissants. The customer likes the most this chocolate croissants, some cheese croissants, some butter croissants. We also have some donuts, double chocolate, white chocolate, and the chocolate donuts, as well as cinnamon donuts.
Oh wow! So a lot of things actually.
Yeah, and we also have this Arabica Nescafe fresh coffees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Great.
And,
so for all your coffee lovers, you can head here.
Yeah, for the coffee lovers, and with the snacks, with some desserts.
Yeah.
We are also introducing some more snacks, some quiche, some. By tomorrow you will be getting some this lasagna, and also you will be getting more snacks. But once the pandemic is finished, once the movement will be there, then we'll start something new. Something will introduce all these new things.
Right.
So because there is less crowd, so why to make? Or else we used to make on a regular basis something new, because customer won't get bored like they used to get something new every time.
Right.
So we start with something new every time.
That's great. And you
We
guys
also have
a
some
lovely-
seatings as well.
Yeah.
The outside seatings with the view.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys around outside. Let me order for some things and then I'll show you
sure.
outside as to how it looks. So thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
So this is the cafe. If you come from this side, then this road actually heads towards Kalangut, and on my right, this goes towards Candolim beach and also towards the Fort Aguada. So guys, we've ordered for this chocolate donut that you can see here, and we have the famous blueberry cheesecake. This is a must try here at this place, and we have the chocolate croissant as well. And I just ordered for some orange juice because it's a really sunny day. And besides this, they actually have some freshly baked pizzas that you can actually try. I just finished my lunch, so I thought I'll probably give it a skip. And they have some amazing sandwiches as well. I just checked them out. They have the jungly chicken sandwich that you can try, and they also have a very interesting sandwich which is made with spinach bread, and then there's chicken and loaded with vegetables and quite healthy actually. So you can try that out as well. Besides that, I think they're introducing a lot of sweets and also some lasagnas. And from what I spoke to, the gentleman inside, he said that they're renovating this place, so they'll be putting up a lot of lights and actually expanding their menu as well. So let me taste this and then I'll tell you how it is. I hope we'll be able to finish, but let me see. Wow. This is actually yum. It's so rich, creamy, and you can actually taste the fresh blueberries. So let me quickly jump into the next, the croissant. Wow. It is super duper fresh, and I can say that it's just baked maybe some time back. Absolutely soft and delicious. It's not too sweet, and I think that's what I like about it. So let me taste the donut. They also have a double chocolate donut. I do like chocolate, but not to an extent where it's extremely sweet. So I think this should be perfect. So let me taste it. Wow. I think it is super duper fresh. And another interesting thing that he also mentioned is that everything is baked, on a daily basis. Like they make fresh batches in the morning and in the evenings as well. Since we are here in the afternoon is why you don't see much crowd, behind me. But otherwise, this place is quite crowded. And it's quite a famous bakery as well. So if at all you are in this surrounding area, I would highly recommend that you visit and see the various menus that they have. And I'm sure this place wouldn't disappoint you. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos, please do go check them out. And I'll also be linking the location map in the description below. So please feel free to check that out as well. And do visit this place. And maybe you can say that you watched the video and you're here. And I'm sure that'll make his day. So that's it for now, guys. So if you like this video, please do give us a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, because I will be sharing such interesting videos showing you around Goa and making a lot of videos Goa related, giving you tourism updates. So all of this coming ahead. So see you guys for now. Bye bye.